Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to show you a really quick and easy, delicious crab rangoon dip made in the crock pot. Let's go. Okay, first step is just to kind of roughly chop some of our ingredients here just to kind of get some measurements. I need about 2 tablespoons per recipe. And I like a lot of cilantro, and so once this gets kind of minced down, I'm probably going to use this whole bunch. But I don't want all of these stems here. Okay, and we'll just add those right into our food processor here because that will do all of the work for us. I just like to give it kind of a rough chop to get it started. Then I need 2 tablespoons per recipe, and I'm doing a double batch. So 4 tablespoons of minced garlic, and I'm just kind of peeling my garlic to get it started. I don't want all the brown papery stuff, and using a spoon is actually probably the easiest way to peel your ginger. There we go. And I'm just going to cut it into some smaller chunks, again, just to kind of give it a head start. All right, we'll toss that in there. Okay, and then I need 1/4 cup per recipe of chopped green onions or scallions. And again, these are just kind of rough estimates, so you could kind of go more heavy if you like more onion. And again, I'm just giving them a head start. I'm not gonna get them real fine because that's what the food processor is for. And this is a 1 cup, so I'm gonna fill it about half full, and I know that it will mince down. And I'll just save this for another recipe. Okay, into the food processor. And then we need 2 tablespoons per recipe of lime juice, and I like to kind of just push and roll mine to get it kind of broken up, and then it juices a little bit easier. And so I'm just going to use the entirety of the lime. And then we need 1 teaspoon of sugar per recipe, so I need 2. And finally, the cream cheese. I've had this sitting out for a little while so it can get a little softer. It'll just blend a lot smoother if it's softened. All right, it is time to mince up our veggies. And so we're just gonna kind of pulse this to get it all mixed, and then we'll get it nice and minced. I'm just going to use a spatula to kind of get everything off the edges. Okay, it's time to add our cream cheese. Okay, everything is nice and combined. Now we are going to fold in our crab meat. We don't want to put the crab meat in the processor because it will just totally disintegrate it, and we want some texture to it. All right, our next step is to get our crockpot liner into our crockpot. I am going to take this to work, so normally if I was just home, I would bake this for 15 minutes at 400 degrees, but since I am taking it to work, I'm going to put it in the crockpot and just turn it on low. And then, let it get nice and bubbly, and then I'll turn it to warm, and it'll be ready for lunch. All right, let's go ahead and open and drain our crab. Really, lump crab meat is better, but my local Hy-Vee was out of lump crab meat, so I just got the white crab meat here. It'll be just fine. Lump crab meat is just kind of meatier and it doesn't break apart as easily, and it just gives it a better texture. So let me go drain these. All right, let's get our crab mixed in. And it does have these little papers, so don't get that into your recipe. All right, and I'm just gonna carefully kind of fold the crab meat in so that I don't mince it up even more. It's pretty much all minced because it's not the lump crab meat, but it'll be fine. Okay, that is ready for tomorrow. I'll just turn it on low till it gets nice and bubbly, and just keep it on warm then. And then I just bought some wonton chips from Hy-Vee. They sell these over by the Chinese food dining area, and these are perfect with it. Tomorrow I'll probably add a sprinkling of fresh green onions on top with the leftovers that I had. But yeah, we'll call it good for tonight. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks guys. Bye.